Hi, good morning. My name is Mrs. Richa Chan, and today we will discuss about a really very great or influence things. Everyone saying that how is it possible that we also can make a really very good friends within few seconds? How is it possible that we also can attract to everyone by fundamental tricks or magical tricks or some kind of intelligence? Yeah, actually, this is really great questions, and everyone wants to know. But thing is that actually we also think this is the bad. No, actually this is not bad. This is the actually you can say influence personality. Nowadays, it's really very necessary to influence, but how? You are talented, you are knowledgeable, you are educated, but still you are not able to influence to anyone. And in these situations, sometimes you also lose a lot of offers because of when you just propose to anyone at the time what happened that girl or that boy deny your proposal because you don't know how to influence. So it's not necessary that we will make only and only to making a girlfriend and boyfriend. No, it's really very necessary in every field. Suppose you are going to office, and in that office your first day, but you are the first day that everyone wants to make a really very good friends among colleagues and with boss as well. But how is that possible? It is possible on the first day that everyone be comfortable with you. Yes, it is really necessary and it is really easy. But how? Intelligence or your personality, both are really important. But behalf of that, which is really important things I gonna share with you. So when you just meet to someone and you want to influence to anyone, so just try, and when you just meeting to someone at the time, first thing is that you have to shake hand, and while the shaking time, a little bit smile. When you will give the smile, and definitely that person actually can show that person is really very positive. Second thing is, when you are shaking to anyone at the time, you shake hand a little bit strong. Little bit means when you are doing shake hand with anyone at the time, your shake hand will give you a really very positive vibes. Okay. Third thing is your smile. Just try to keep your smile on your lip. And fourth thing is that is really very important when you just interact with someone at the time, your eyes. Just try to make eye contact. Not too much. Don't be think that I also listened to Richa ma'am's class, and she also told to us just try to make eye contact, and so that your eyes are also stuck on that person. No, just try to make eye contact. Sometimes you also like according to the situations, just try to see here and there, but just try to make a eye contact. If you will make eye contact, definitely that person will think that you are really very concerned for that person. No matter that person is your partner, that person is your colleague, that person is your boss, that person is your friends, that person maybe that person also can be your friends' children as well. Did you notice sometimes children so much fan of uncle and aunt just because of actually they are really very influenced on them? That's why. So try to make eye contact. And when you want to meet someone, and just try to be polite, humble, generous. When you just be a generous, and definitely everyone will attract towards you. So that, because smile is a really first thing is, by the smile you also can be influenced to anyone. Okay, you don't have need to do any kind of thing. Second thing is, when you are smiling gives a positive vibes. Smiles spread the positive vibes. Smile never, if you will give the smile to anyone, and that person automatically be happy. Maybe that person also thinking really very stress questions, but because of your smile, you also can distract his or her mind because of your smile. And because of that, what happened, that person also can be little bit happy, and that person also can think about you, oh my god, that person actually really good, really very humble, really very smiley, and that person is really cool. So for that things, just try to be a smile, generous, humble, polite, teach. Just try to be a salt of the earth. Okay. And now next, be optimistic. Just try to be optimistic. If you will be optimistic, definitely everyone likes you. Like suppose I just give example. If you are not be optimistic, so definitely everyone's saying, oh my god, that person is not something is new personality, and that's why you also can lose the opportunity to influence to the people. Okay, for that things, what will you do? Actually, everyone loves to that person. That person should be a really intelligent genius. For that things, you will have to be a creative personality. That you have to show that you are really very creative personality, not a showing. Actually, you have to be in your real life, because everyone notice if you are doing something new. So definitely everyone will notice you, and everyone will come to take any kind of help, because you are intelligent and you have really very great knowledge in every field, in every sector. So for the things, just try to be a creative. Now I will tell you about, if you are meeting with children, and how to meet with the children, and why children make you a biggest fan of you. So just try to give the love to the children. Just try to concern when they are talking to you, not the children, everyone. When anyone are talking with you at the time, just try to listen carefully. If we will listen carefully, definitely everyone think that we are important for that person, and that's why that person also exciting to listen us. So just try to listen to that person. If you will not listen to anyone, so definitely no one will listen to you. And why people influence on you? Because you don't want to listen to anyone, you don't want to concern to anyone, you don't want to actually interact to anyone. If you want to influence, so just try to listen, and by that listening you also can gain knowledge, and you also can solve the problem as well, because you don't know, that person also can ask you any questions. Suppose right now I'm talking with you and you are not listening to me, and in the last, if I will ask you questions, so you can ask me by the comment. No, you can not ask me by the comment. By the things, I also doing my work, but yeah, sometimes it's really very important that everyone will listen me, so that of course I also can solve your problem. So for the things, you will have to see my videos full if you want to give me love. Okay, And if you also want to influence on my beautiful audience, so definitely please just try to ask me any questions, any query. If you want to give me any suggestions to make a video, definitely I will make video. Whatever you want, suggest me. Maybe I also can get a really very good opportunity by you, or I also can get a really very beautiful topic by you. So if you have any kind of query, you can ask me by the comment, and I am willing always for you. I'm always willing to make videos, new videos on the new topics. If you want to ask me, definitely I will ask you. Okay. So now for the things, just try to be confident. Just try to be really very active person, energetic person. If you will think really very lazy, and if you are really lazy, definitely no one is ready to interact with you, because you are already lazy. No one have desire to lazy. Everyone have desire to be active, energetic like as me. So for the things, you have to change your personality lazy into are really very energetic and active. And for the things, you also can be influenced to anyone. So for the things, you have to read a books, because by the books you also can be too much motivated. Okay. Now in the last, I will share you a really very biggest magic trick. That was magic trick everyone can work out to influence the people. I just share with you one example. Whenever you are talking with anyone, at the time person also saying, if I'm just talking to you, I just said hi, hello, and you said also, when I just greet you, hi, good morning. So of course definitely you will greet to me, because I also greet to you. So this is the actually manner, and so of course you also can be interested in me. Hello Richa, hi, good morning. And after that, when I will ask you, how are you, how's your day, how's your night, so definitely when you will tell to me, yeah, everything is good, my night is really awesome, I am also good. You tell, what about you? But you know what happened? When I will ask to anyone, I will not prefer to anyone a simple way. I am good, I'm really very fit and fiddle. No. And my night is okay. No. Just tell to the people, I'm really very great, wonderful, because my day is really special. And my night, actually, I had been outside. So that time, actually, I also really had enjoyed with my family. But what happened? Actually, we also had really enjoyed, but I also had met my schoolies friend, and for that I was really happy, and we also really enjoying together. So my night was really awesome because I met my schoolies friend. So for the things, my conversation is too long. Second thing is, when I just told to that person about my last night, about my day, it's not necessary to tell, but it's really very necessary if you want to interact with that person. That person will understand you, and that person is also taking an interest in you. So of course that person also will listen you very exciting mode. Okay, because you are telling to that person which is really enjoyed, and means, why are you telling to him or her? Just because of you want to interact. That's why this is really very important, that you are sharing your thoughts, your enjoyment, your happy full of life, your blissful moments. So for that things, and that person also will be happy. And then after that, next time when you will meet to that person, definitely that person also will tell you their his or her really very good and beautiful moment. Just because of that person will think about you. Yeah, you are a really interesting person, and of course you also will listen a really very enjoyable story as well. Okay, for the things, just try to keep on these things. Don't forget to make eye contact. Don't forget to build your listening power. Just try to listen, and while the listening power, just try to huh, yes, oh yeah, I'm listening. Oh my God. So means you have to show that I'm listening. Means I'm listening means you are important for me. You are giving to me important message to me. So definitely I'm listening to you. So because that person also will tell you, that person was not talking a really very useless. That person also talking with you. So it is a really very memorable that you are concerned. Yeah, I'm listening. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh my God. I really enjoy. So you just use this type of things, and after that you can show that you are listening to that person. Okay. And I'm not saying that you just do it always. No, according to the situation, just show that you are listening. And sometimes it depends on the situation. Suppose you are in the class and you are just thinking that teacher also will convey to the lesson, and we also saying yes, we are listening. Yes, I'm understanding. No, if you will do like that in the classroom, so definitely every student will disturbed by you. So don't do that. Okay, because that is actually silence environment, and in the silence environment, if you will do that, it will be actually really cheap for you. So according to the situation, just try to follow these rules. And I will tell you something, a really very good things, that just try to be inspired. Just try to learn. Just try to learn for every person. Just try to find that person, what kind of qualities that person. And if you will try to find that person's quality, definitely first thing is that you also can learn. Second thing is you also have chance to talk to him or her. You also can ask to him or her that, yeah, this is really very good in you. Could you please tell me how to do that? First thing is that you also can learn. Second thing is that person also can take interest to tell you. That person also will understand that, yeah, I also don't know about my qualities, but because of you, that okay, if I could help you, definitely I will help you. And by that things, that person also will give you 100%. That person will help you with full of efforts, full of dedications, with 100%, because that person think that now I'm a special. By that things, you can influence. Bye.